Oh, so satisfying. And colors are so bright. It's air freshener or something like that. It can explode. I think it can explode. Oh my god, it's dangerous. In my video today, we're gonna be watching Experiment Kittens versus Car. I'm not sure if that guy really gonna do that, but you're warned. I'm scared, but I'm gonna stay till the end to find out if Kittens will be harmed or what's gonna happen. And for now, we'll be watching how every object is just run by Car. How every object just crushed. And now it's some lollipops being crushed. Eggs. Oh, sound is so satisfying. And bottles, yeah. Waffles. I love waffles. Juice. Juice is so healthy. Don't destroy it. And again, some toothpaste. Maybe it's a mini bubblegum. Burgers. Oh, they're so squishy. It's a phone, maybe like from prehistorical times. It deserves to get crushed. And this is slime. Nothing happens with slime. A little car. Eggs. I love that sound, but it's a waste, okay. Chloroform. So far no kittens. I hope nothing will happen with kittens, guys. If you love kittens, please thumbs up. What? Why he have a fish and it's dead? He's going to crush it? No. Don't. Why? At least it's dead. Okay, he's replacing a fish with a toy. Now it's better. Anyway, if fish is dead, so... Anyway, better to eat fish, right? Not to just throw it to the garbage afterwards. What's that? Is it candies? Oh, kittens, no! Don't do that, please! Oh, they're so fluffy! Oh, I want to cuddle them. Okay. I think he removed kittens. I hope so. And the same deodorant. And okay guys, that's all for today, and kittens hopefully safe, and see you soon in my next video. Bye!